Top headlines coming today is that the Australian players are unhappy with Justin Langer's method of approach and ask him to change his style. After that, we will see Darren Sammy open up and speak about the controversy of PSL getting stopped midway after him and Wahab Riaz breaking the COVID-19 protocol. At the end, we will see Indian left-arm spinners say how good his competitor is and how hard it is to enter the playing 11 with him around. Everything here on News Tracker. Hello everybody and welcome to News Tracker. My name is Sanjit Kangan. If you are wondering what is going on new in the cricketing world, well, you're at the right place. We speak about everything new and everything relevant to cricket, which is why if you haven't subscribed to our channel still, please do it right away. Former Australian opening batsman and current Australian head coach Justin Langer is always known for his determination and always has been a tough nut to crack on the field. During his times as well, while opening the batting, he was really determined and passionate for what he always did. He has installed the same behavior in the Australian team as a head coach and always has driven towards consistency. Recently, 40 players have made their end of season review and we have understood that Justin Langer needs to be a little more relaxing, wherein the players have said they need more freedom and control in the dressing room. Recently, Australia lost to India in a series which was a high profile series and very important to Australia, and now it is slightly being believed that it was because of Justin Langer's micromanagement this has happened. Justin Langer's contract will be ending in 2022 and it will be really curious for us to know what will happen to that. The Pakistan Super League was scheduled to be held in the month of February and March but was later postponed as so many players inside the bio bubble were being tested positive for the coronavirus. Now, if speculations are to be believed, it was because of two people, Darren Sammy and Wahab Riaz. Darren Sammy is the head coach of Peshawar Zalmi and Wahab Riaz is the captain of the same team. If reports are to be believed, they met with the owner of the team, Javed Afridi, during one of the practice sessions. However, under these circumstances, the COVID-19 protocol says that they have to make a quarantine period of 3 days and undergo a COVID test before they join the team. But however, these players did not follow that and breached that, which is why it could be one of the reasons why COVID-19 spread inside the Pakistan Super League. However, Darren Sammy said, "I wouldn't say we broke the bio bubble secure. This is a new territory for everybody. When I read the news, it made it sound like Wahab and myself left the hotel and ventured out. We just had a training session. We said hello to our bosses, who was Javed Afridi. By the time we realized what had happened, we had 2 COVID tests and so did the boss." Indian left-arm spinner Akshar Patel really made the ball talk during the England series at home, wherein on the spinning tracks of Ahmedabad and Chennai, he picked up 27 wickets in just 3 test matches that he played. Akshar Patel was included in the playing 11 after Ravindra Jadeja injured his thumb during the Australian tour, wherein he was the first choice player. Now, after Ravindra Jadeja being fully recovered and ready to play for the next matches, Akshar Patel feels that his place in the playing 11 is going to be really hard, after which we know that Ravindra Jadeja is so good in all departments, batting, bowling and fielding, and it will be really hard for Akshar Patel to make his place in the playing 11 with Ravindra Jadeja around. Akshar Patel said, and I quote, "I don't feel like I was lacking anything. Unfortunately, I was injured and lost my place in the ODIs. In Tests, Ravindra Jadeja and Ravichandran Ashwin were doing really well. The way Jadeja was performing, it was very hard for any other left-arm spinner all-rounder to find a place. The wrist spinners Kuldeep Yadav and Yuzvendra Chahal were doing well. It was due to the team combination that I was left out. When I got a chance, I just tried to prove myself." That is all we have from us here at the News Tracker. My name is Sanjit Kangu and I'll be signing off. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and share it with all your friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it right away. Do let us know down in the comment section which was your favorite part, and I'll be back soon with some amazing news ahead. Until then, see you all.